Well, good morning. Welcome back to Nacho Stuff. Boy, did we have fun yesterday. Thank you for all your kind words to Anna. She thoroughly enjoys being out here on the street and collecting junks. Oh, we had fun yesterday. We probably missed stuff because we were just out here having fun. But that's okay, we did all right yesterday. That's not stainless deck, is that actually now? I thought it was stainless for a second. My gloves just weren't warmed up enough. I couldn't feel the movement of the magnet. Oh, this guy's missing a foot. I should have just gone over the edge with it. I think it's gonna be easier to go over the edge. Since we're missing a foot. I know we got the gate down, but it's gonna get caught up on that. It's gonna be a nightmare. You just stay right there while I put the gate back up. So you don't lose stuff like that. We did get a, what's it called? It's a black stone. It's not a black stone, but it's a black stone. From one of our neighbors. They were tossing it out and they said, come get it. So we got that last night. But we got some yucky weather today, man. It's supposed to rain. It rained a little bit last night. It's supposed to be raining this morning when I started. I'm thankful that it's not. But I'm hoping it's not gonna be too sloppy today. Because hunting in the slop is never much fun. But let's get after it anyways. See what junks we can find. Sweet. We got a little prepared pile here for us. What is this? Heavy duty closet rod. Wow, that is heavy duty. Holy macacholi. That's holding some serious clothes. What else we got in here? Color. I think that's grout. I don't know who you are, but you're metal. Take a closer look at you. These ones look like they've been cut in half. They're super short compared to what they normally are. No. I don't love any of that tile, you guys. I know, take it. We have so much stuff after yesterday. No way, no how. Onward. I know, guys, a surprise trip to the lake. Oh, those aren't clippers. Those aren't my cutters. I figured I'd get rid of this stuff. I saw a couple of chairs on the side of the road, the main road, so I didn't stop for you guys, but I threw them in there and we're just a little sloppy in the end here. And I'm hoping today's gonna rock, so we're just gonna get rid of this stuff quickly this morning. It cost us no time because we're passing the yard anyways. And then we don't gotta fight any of this stuff. The lake is slowly coming back. It's like this dirt slowly sinks as they fill it in. And the lake comes back. And a never-ending pit of water. Those are hard this morning. It's not even that cold this morning either. Ouch. Shoink. All right. Where's the regulator on this guy? I don't see one. That's weird, right? Yeah, there's not one on there. Weird. These are like halvesies. I'm not keeping this. The true green poles I'm gonna keep. I want to keep that rebar though. For trailer repairs. she wrote. Let's get on the street and find some junk. Back on to hunt. Oh, I hope we pick up a little bit. I really do. But weather's not on our side today, guys. Onward. One thing I didn't tell you this morning was we went and hunted a couple of new neighborhoods. One of the gates was broken on this gated neighborhood that I saw, and I said, I'm gonna try that out. Nothing. And then I tried another one, busted in there too. So we've extra hunted today and not found much. Now given they were areas we hadn't hunted before. I don't want you. What are these, just tile samples? Oh, they're kind of pretty. Yeah, look at all these nice tile samples delivering. Japanese samples, right? Are you in here? Pachow! You are! You look new. I hope you're new. See if we got some tools. Ooh, a little bit of weight. Might have a battery. What we got? Hiya! No, the whole kit and caboodle. Battery's either dead or the drill's dead. Oh no. We'd have to give that a whirl. Oh, those are tables. What do you think, PJ? I think we'll keep these for her. I think she would like those. They're not going to take up too much space because they're already packed up and ready to go. I think they're new as well. These ones don't even have the legs out yet. Bench leg side. You in here? Yes. What is going on here? You probably work too. You empty. This is garbage, right? Yeah. It's like, no, there's a black stone in there. I know I normally take these. I don't feel like taking these today. They're just kind of small and not very strong. This is all garbage. Are you a bull though? You are? We'll take you. You're probably stainless steel. Should we take this little thing? These are kind of cool little pipes. Probably not enough. Probably not enough metal weight. All right. Great little stop. Not at all what I expected. Let's go. Could not see in this box from the pass by, so we had to take a look. Oh, there's a vacuum in here. With cord. Holy shit. Anybody else? You can come. That's a big pan, man. That'll hold some paint. Was that a boat? Is that a wheel? Or is that a weight? 8 pounds. Probably a weight. But these are the wrong kind of weights, guys. These kind of weights here are full of sand, not metal. So it's not good to take those to the yard. They frown upon that. Let's go. This is not normally the direction we go, but I saw this big old pile down here and said, self, let's go take a look. I think it's all closed though. They're Buc-ee's fans though. Look at these Buc-ee's pants. People love them some Buc-ee's, man. I don't get it. It's a gas station, right? People love them some Buc-ee's though. Lucky brand. Lucky Buc-ee. These I think are all just run of the mill. It's a pretty nice set shirt. Save that to donate those. think this is anything too gosh darn special, guys. I know. I hate leaving this much clothes behind, but I can't take it all. I wish you weren't wet. Ones like this I want to save, pass on to the homeless people. Because it's going to be cool again this week. It's supposed to dip down. What kind of dress we got here? Don't know. I can't read the label. Oh, it's a little person dress. These might be kids' clothes. Another sweatshirt. Ooh, teeny bopper. What book we got? The Darkest Minds. Well, what a bummer, dude. We'll take the couple of sweatshirts. We'll take this piece of extruded. And that might be it. We'll check that one real quick. Look at all that stuff. Wow. This stuff's wet too. That's not cool. Yeah, it's all clothes. What is that? Ooh, a Harry Potter wand. Nothing too special, guys. Alright, you guys get back up. It kind of smells doggish, too. What we got here? Nah. I think we'll take the couple over there. Our Harry Potter wand. Clean up Kazam. And get going. You're not going to my truck because you're wet. You guys can live right there, though. All right, let's go. Man, I hope it picks up out back. It has been rather dismal this morning. Kev's out. I went by his house. His truck's not there. He's out and about, picking up scoops. Today is beat up grill day. We just beat the garbage guys to this. They turned down the street and he waved me through. And so we're gonna grab these. I really wish these were aluminum tires. You're empty. Do you have wheels, brother? Maybe. Partial wheels. Okay, this is an old Weber. Wow. All right. Let's go. Got some movers here. Some movers. Had to slow down for the trailer. Look at the size of this TV. Wowza. This is an old guy. Whoosh. Should weigh a couple of pounds. Hiya. Sharp. Let's go. We got a big old chair looking thing. I think we might have some car parts. No, weights. Not car parts. I thought they were rotors. Sweet. So, the last weights that I had, I was saving them to take to, what's it called? Play It Again Sports. Because Play It Again Sports will pay 30 cents a pound when they're buying them. So, way more than Shred, right? This is what, 25, 50, 50 plus 70, so this is 120 pounds. So, it's way better than Shred. So instead of $6, you get 5 times that. You get $30. But then I found a guy that bought them from me for even more than that. So I'm gonna try to sell those again online. Well, we've exceeded our chair quota today because we had 6 in that first stop. This is the fire ant stop. Let's see if they're active or not. Shing. Shing. No, they must be sleeping. They didn't come out. Matt, don't mess with the fire ants. I saw myself another scrapper. He had tons and tons of bikes. So it must be a bike purge day. He had a washing machine too. I don't know. Seen the garbage mans, seen other scrappers. I'm sure Kev's out here. Although Kev normally does this neighborhood first. I always come through here anyways because he didn't pick as deep as I like to pick, so. But he would have gotten that bike unless they brought it out late. Margaritaville chair, anybody? No. Onward. Morning. I was kind of hoping this was going to be aluminum, but it's going to be steel. We'll take her. Well, it's another chair. We'll take it. We'll take them. We'll take what we can find today. Man. We went out back and didn't find really too much. Let's slide up here and see if we can find some brasses. Possibly a little bit. Let's see if we can get these, extract these quickly or not. What we got here? Those are just regular good old Phillips. You can actually remember to charge your batteries. Right? Come on. I know you guys know that.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on. And move along. Come on. Said babe. I said babe. Oh honey. Come and move along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel you gotta feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel you gotta
Little copper little brass. You have a drug gun, right? Yes. Let's go. Fingers crossed. Oh, it's not a party, it's a party. Okay. Be good stuff. An empty box, not good stuff. Be good stuff. Stuffing paper, not good stuff. Oi. Ooh, here's some good stuff though. Look at this guy. Oh, you guys could be brass. I hope so. Ooh, is that a bunch of wire? Let's put you up front. Who packed this thing? Okay, come on, be that big fat wire that I saw. Yes. Big old plug. Joink. Okay. take the coat hangers, it's metal. Make the difference. Tipping the scales. Alright, that one's done. What we got down here? Got ourselves a chair and a vacuum. Man, we're definitely beefing up on the chairs today. Got all kinds of chairs. Well, not a home run. We'll take a base hit. Here we are, January 4th, and we've gotten a refrigerator every day this year. How crazy is that? I know this isn't really gonna weigh much, but we're still gonna take it. But how crazy is that? I know this isn't a full-size fridge, but the other ones were. We got a fridge every day so far. That's crazy. Oh, look at that. This is a fancy little, this is a Frigidaire. It's like a cool little old-timer refrigerator. Although it's not. I'm gonna put you through here like this so you don't slide. And then we'll say, why is this thing not moving? It's not moving because it's tied to the side. I could see this pile from the way down. I was like, oh, I hope this could be our pile. It's decent, but it's not like unbelievable. What are these stairs for? They're pretty nice stairs. Wow. I don't know what you use those for though. Someone's shooting guns. Hopefully they're doing target practice. This thing's legit. What is this? I don't know. Whatever it is, it's heavy duty. Heavy duty. Is that the store? Basketballs or something? I don't know. It's Rubbermaid. This was the world's largest tripod. These are off a trampoline, I think. I wonder if that's a cage? I don't know. Guesses? Put your guesses in. Maybe we'll find it. We'll try to look up what this thing is. It has a hole here. Actually, they cut that hole there. A timeout cage? Ah! I just did a Nana. Came all the way through the front. I thought for sure she was gonna get the front of my car yesterday. And then I go and do it today. Ooh. We got traffic! Put your like such. Alrighty. Big boy pants. Whoosh. Yes, like that. Hoo-yah! Onward. Wheelbarrow. What is this, you think, guys? It's just to hold water bottles, I think, maybe? Those gallon jugs, you think that's what that's for? I think so, right? It's legit, whatever it is. Dude, don't leak on me. Hoo-yah! I thought this was nothing at first, but then I saw this stove. Man, they're still shooting over there. I sure hope it's target practice. What is that? Super science kit. plus tools. That's not tools. That was a firearm. Siren. Alright, let's take our oven. Get out of Dodge. Rest that's garbage. Yoink! Bunch of staples. Some shelving, a chair, and a bike. And a big old empty tub of, I think, what's chlorine. Maybe. We're gonna go on the other side with this guy. Uh-oh. Lift. There we go. Oh, we lost some arms. Chink, chink, chink. Ooh, and a timeout cage. Woo. You've seen better days, my friend. I'm gonna put you up front. We're gonna make this look like a huge load. It's just gonna be all air though. There we go. Onward. First tree of the day. I'm really surprised we didn't find more trees today. I thought for sure it would be just stockpiled with trees already. After finding all those ones the day after Christmas. Ooh, yeah, you get in the timeout cage. Get in there. And you, my friend, I'm trying to fill some of these fluffy holes. Let's take the stand off and then we can put it in that way. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Come on, close up. Come on. Which one of you is blocking me? That one. Now you can go in like such. And then go in far easier like that. Look at the size of this mumbo jumbo. Wow. How many gallons is you? 80 gallon. Yeah, most of them are this metal too. Nope. Most of them are. Oh, is there something in here? Let's check. Oh, there's something in there too. You guys come over here. You go there. Looky, looky, Americanos. Macarena. 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 of Macarena. 4 liter, 5 liter, 6 of Macarena. Ugh. It's not Macarena, Matt. It's microwave. Get with the program. Oh, get. Trying to fly away on me. Little stickers. One more piece of metal. And you, my friend, oh my gosh. I think we're using the gate for this one. This one's a chunky monkey. I'm not trying not to hurt myself today. Nana might be watching. Oh. All right. Right there's where you're gonna live. This thing is chunky. Wow, what's up? Come on, baby. Come on, go over the edge. There you go, right like such. This was way wider than I thought it was gonna be. Wow, is that? All right, get in there. All right. Wee-ah! Onward. We got some rolls here last week. They had done purged a couple more rolls. 2.5 to be exact. 2.25 maybe. Uh-oh. The G-Men's coming. Hopefully that's not my boys. Because if it is, that means they've caught up to us. Which means we finished the front and they finished the back. That would not be good. That would mean we're going to the yard, except for the little bit of the front we've got to finish. Oh, it is, it is. That's not good. What's up, gentlemen? You guys already all the way up here? Yeah, we're working that way, right? Yeah. I worked from that way and I came this way. I came from that side, yeah. Not really. No, Kev starts back there. I start up front. So, yeah, there's not a lot out here today. There's a couple of like medium-sized piles, but not a ton. A lot of boxes. A lot of boxes. Yeah. No, I just keep stacking it higher and higher, man. I got straps. Yeah. Oh, did you? Okay. Yeah. All the way up that way, yeah. I haven't done the other side down by Dallas. I haven't done over there yet. Nah. I'll leave that for Kev. So, I don't know. His truck wasn't at the house this morning when I went by, so a lot of times he has commercial accounts on Thursday, so he might be doing that this morning. I'm not sure. Yeah, where he goes to like auto part places and picks up. He's got a couple of them. I'm working on it, man. I'm just a newbie. All right, boys. Happy New Year. Have a good day. Alrighty, guys. We're at the yard, and Jeffrey's over here, I think. Aha! Delivering stuff. Look at the old car. There's an old truck cab right there. Anywho's, we talked to Kevin briefly. Kev was out with Jimmy this morning in his neighborhood. That's why I hadn't seen him yet. So I said, hey, I'm to here. I seen the garbage guys. I guess you're working off your list for rest of the day. Because we've already merged. Yeah, he's picking up the oxygen. Yeah, I know. The oxygen tanks. They've been torching all that big steel and they freeze up like that on the outside. It's crazy how much that stuff, like I said, they had 800,000 pounds of that stuff here, and they paid that guy. Actually, they didn't pay him. They hired him to come down from, I think Jeff said he's from Texas, and he just torches all day long, and then he gets a percentage of the load is how he gets paid. Cutting up all that big stuff right there, turning it into short steel. For those of you that are not typical strappers, short steel has to be under 3 foot long, and it pays a little bit better because it's all about processing. from one size to another to get it back into the environment. Where's my sledge at, bro? Oh, I got so much crap back here. I guess we'll take the big sledge. Little one might still be at the house. Yeah, we'll use this one, I guess. Pipe wrench. Hoping I get 2 brasses off this. Yes, I'm going to. Sweet. Whoa. Don't fall on me, guys. Come on. Ah, it's on the side. Oh! Okay. 1. Ooh, this one's gonna be deep. That was in there. Where'd you go? There you are. Uh-oh, too hard. Too strong of a throw. Get over here so I don't forget you. You come over here so we don't forget to do that one too. Oh, I was thinking to myself, man, I have considerably more weight in here than I thought. I forgot I had those weights in here that I'm not gonna turn in. That's almost 150 pounds. Craziness. Oh, they got the regular off this one already too. You come over here. You're not getting away, cord. We were supposed to be cutting those along the way now, aren't we? We were gonna try to be better about it. Maybe tomorrow. Oh gosh, I didn't have a strap still on there. Yeah. We're just gonna hold that wheelbarrow down. We're just gonna hold that chair down. We're just gonna hold this down. Gonna hold that down. You must get paid pretty good to do that, I think. Maybe I should become a torch guy. Just cut steel out of it. He's working with that 5-foot torch. Jeff, like, that's legit, man. Look how long that torch is. Keeps it away from him. You know how heavy that's got to be, working with that thing all day long? Some work, that's for sure. We'll come back and watch him in a minute. We're gonna get this refrigerator unhooked before I start yanking on it and hurt myself. Okay. Get that, sheesh. Probably should get that bike out of the way. Man. We did one heck of a pack job today, I'll tell you that. Okay. Let's do this. You get off, Mr. Bike. We lost a weight. Ugh. He just sits there all day. He cuts that big stuff into 3-foot pieces. Crazy, right? It's all about processing. Come on, man. I'll just take that part then. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Sometimes you have to at churches whether they have different size flames. That one certainly looks like it's a little bit got more punch to it than the ones they use. I wonder, he said the length of it is just so you can stay further away from it. I don't know. That looks much more torchy than the one Jeff's and them use. Torchy a word? I think so. This is a legit piece. I'm wondering if I should keep this for a wall. I'll have to think about that one. That one's a legit wall. It's just not very long. I've only got one. Huh. Where did the other part of that grill go? Right there. Where's the bottom part to it? It's not there. Interesting. That we're keeping. This we're keeping. These we're keeping. That we need to clean up a little bit. Although Jeff let me turn in with the glass last time. That was pretty awesome. Woo! You got some load there. And a dump trailer. Oh. Yeah. That's the load I needed right there. Alright, it's this and we're done. Because the rest of it's staying. And then it's time to go home and get some stuff cleaned up. Alright guys, let's put this over here so it don't get messed up. Alright, we'll get you over at Jeffrey's. We don't have much, but let's do some NFJ. Very light non-ferrous today. Man, this aluminum pile getting big.
It's lunchtime and everybody wants to come in now.
You know it.
What the hell?
We gotta have this a lunch rush. I don't got much. I won't hold you down, Vern.
Coming back?
We'll see.
Dirty brass. Save that for clean brass.
Really? Save this for clean brass too then, right?
Yeah. Well, technically you gotta take that out.
Oh, you're killing me, Jeffy.
Hey, brass.
Yeah, I know. You got clip brass, like in between?
Brass has to be clean. Where when you're paying $1,
Clean, or can it be clip?
Clip.
Clip brass?
Clip brass. Clip brass. Are you saving that for your next?
I think. Look at this thing. This thing's legit, man. I wish I had 2 of them though. Feel how
Yeah.
these won't break apart because these get pulled. This is legit. It's just too short, man. I wish I had 4 of them. I don't know. We're gonna hang on to it and let my mind wander.
Heavy.
Come on!
That's legit. 20 pounds.
19 of that's aluminum.
Why can't you play hockey with pigs?
Because they hog the puck. Boom! That was just like the soccer one.
That's from the.
That was a subscriber.
John Dillon.
Here, look at this.
Don't forget your motor.
Look at that kid.
Oh, he's warm. He's warm.
He's warm to begin with, man. There. Come on. We got to get rid of the Christmas ones since Christmas is over.
I don't have any more Christmas.
Otherwise I got to save them for next year. Why did the Christmas tree go to the dentist?
Yeah, go ahead.
Veronica's still coming to you.
Needles were falling out.
No, it needed a root canal.
Roots? No. How is a baby like a basketball player?
A baby like a they dribble.
They both can dribble, yes.
Yes. A person in town was selling their rowboat. I went and I bought it. Man, was it an ordeal.
Why is tennis such a noisy game?
Because they grunt a lot.
The players are always raising a racket.
Raising a racket.
For me.
Well, I guess if you get in there before he closes.
How much did Santa's sleigh cost?
Santa's sleigh cost. I don't know.
It was on the house.
It was on.
Alrighty, guys, we're weighed and paid. I don't know. I think the Nana vibe gets the picking piles out there, because I mean, we did have a couple of things we went through. There's some stuff out there that seemed like pickers, but nothing like yesterday, man. We filled up the car. We hadn't done that in a while. Craziness, huh? Crazy. Or maybe she's just taking all the stuff. And I'm just not used to it. I don't know. Well, we'll have to think on that one. But let's dive into the receipt and see how we did today. That first load, like I said, I picked up I had the neighbor grill, I had the other grill, and then those chairs that I picked up off camera. Brought that in. It was $2.60, 6 cents a pound for $15.60. And then our second load, when we ran out there, it was actually over 1,000 pounds. We did 1,020, 6 cents a pound for $61.20. I had a whopping pound of unclean brass. Jeffy talked me into keeping it. If it's clean, you get paid $1.90, so it makes sense to hang on to it, I guess. Even though I'm trying not to hang on to stuff I don't have to. 1 pound, 70 cents for 70 cents. Irony heavy he gave me on the grill lid. I was hoping to get light, but I knew I was going to get heavy. 20 pounds, 18 cents a pound for $3.60. And then the electric motor was the transformer out of the microwave. 9 pounds, 22 cents a pound for $1.98, for a grand total of $83.08. So a little bit off our mark, but I mean, it was not crazy out there. But we did keep stuff. We had those 2 tables for my thrifting connection. She's stopping by in the middle of the month. I have so much stuff for her, it's unbelievable. But she's always looking for tables, and those are perfect because they're already apart, they're already packed. I think the one's new because the legs are still in the box. We have that one piece of wall, or could be a wall. I don't know, it's just really nice. I wish I had 4 of them and it would be perfect because it's super heavy duty. It's got those reinforcements. Basically it was a thing for a shelf, I believe, like a industrial shelf. Just need 3 more, or at least 1 more, so it matches and it looks nice. But anywho, we're just gonna hang on to it for now. It wasn't gonna crush the weight. We might have got $1 extra off of that. We do though have that heater in the air conditioner. The air conditioner, I believe, is brand new, so it probably should work. I think they just had their garage and got rid of it. The heater, I didn't pull out of the box. At Jeffy's, we pulled the air conditioner out. It's definitely looking on the new side. The heater, I think, might be new too. We'll have to pull it out and plug it in and see how it works. People up north kill for those things this time of year, so get that listed. Those could certainly easily make up the difference of the day. And then what else do we still have back there? Tables, air conditioner, the heater. Oh, we forgot to turn in the weed whacker. It was buried underneath one of the tables. That would have been a couple of bucks. Anywho's, I'm happy with the day. We didn't have any crazy pickers. We didn't have the sparring between me and Nana, which was missed today. But she was having lunch. She has some friends that live down here, and so they met halfway between where I live and where they live, so they could have some lunch. And then she's got activities playing with the kids for the afternoon. So she wasn't able to make it out here. I don't know that I'll bring her on Friday, so you might get your that might be your dose of Nana for this quarter. I'm going to try to talk her into coming down at least once a quarter, so you guys can get your taste of Nana at least a couple of times a year. That'd be 4 times a year, but we'll call it a couple. So anywho's, I hope you guys enjoyed today's run. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. That way we can get some people's excited about the video. We have some that do better. I'm still trying to figure this YouTube thing out. It's crazy, man. You just never figure out what makes them happy, what doesn't make them happy. Is it content? Is it title? Is it thumbnail? You change all the things and all of a sudden something works, but you don't know why it works. It's craziness, I tell you. Anywho's, it's Nacho Stuff. But that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and we'll catch you guys then.